Good morning, third grade. So I decided I was going to do a little bit of a pre-recorded lesson for 6.8. So if you could please open up your binders, turn to page, or I should say lesson 6.8 in our math, and we're going to get started. So continuing on with our sort of like a fact family trend, we need to first learn a couple new words. Who knew that we could do some vocab and math, right? We're looking up here, we have the words factor and product, okay? We're just gonna focus in on those here, factor and product. So I'm gonna write those over here, and if you could please get out some scrap paper, write it on the back. We're gonna take some notes on this. Make sure we really understand what these words mean. So in a multiplication problem, the factor are the numbers being multiplied. So a factor would be 4. Another factor would be 6, because those are the numbers being multiplied. And you can draw the little arrows to help you understand that the factors in this problem are 4 times 6. We know 4 times 6 equals 24, right? We should know that anyway. 24, what it equals, the answer is called the product. Another word for the product is the answer. Okay? That is for multiplication. That's the most important thing to remember. These words are for multiplication. Going on to the division side of the chart here on lesson 6.8, we have the words dividend, divisor, and quotient. So notice with this one, we have 3 words we need to learn. So we have dividend, divisor, and quotient. Okay? The dividend is the number that you are dividing. Okay? So 24. We're taking 24 pretzels, we're splitting them among 4 friends. Okay? The divisor is the number of groups that you're splitting them into, okay? It's what the number is being divided by. See the word divisor, divided by, okay? 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Your answer here, where it says equals, is your quotient, okay? So your quotient is what the answer is. The divisor would be your number of groups, and your dividend is the number that is being divided. So this here is what you should have either in your notebook, scrap sheet of paper, back of the lesson, whichever. You guys need to have this written down, and you really need to study this, okay? I will do my best to make sure that we practice this in class, but these words here, you really need to understand the concept for them, because you're going to use this for your math lesson today.